Good afternoon, students. So today we are going to start with the topic of plasmolysis. What is plasmolysis? Plasmolysis is basically a phenomenon in which the plant cell shrinks away from the cell wall when it loses water by osmosis. ठीक है, अब ये देखिए plasmolysis we can see here in this cell molecule has shrinked away from the cell wall due to the hypertonic, when it's put into the hypertonic solution. So due to this, so moving on, what is endocytosis? Endocytosis is the process by which a cell is able to engulf food and other material from its external environment due to the flexibility of the plasma membrane. We've already discussed कि amoeba का जो structure होता है वो कोई शेप नहीं होता है एंड वो कैसे इनगल्फ करता है अपने फूड को, अपने फूड पार्टिकल के अक्रॉस एक लेयर बना लेता है, कवर कर लेता है एंड देन इनगल्फ करता है. सो दैट इज़ नोन एज endocytosis. So endocytosis is the process by which cell is able to engulf its food particle by food and other material from its external environment due to the flexibility in its outer plasma membrane. ठीक है, एंडोसाइटोसिस का ये अभी एग्जांपल आप देख रहे हो कैसे ये कवर करके फूड पार्टिकल को कवर करके इनगल्फ कर रहा है, मतलब कैप्चर कर रहा है. प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन इज कॉल्ड अ सेलेक्टिवली परमिएबल मेम्ब्रेन. व्हाई? We have discussed it in the last video. Plasma membrane is called a selectively permeable membrane because it allows some particles to enter and leave the cell. मैं बताया था ना सेमी परमिएबल होता है. प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन इज सेमी परमिएबल. तो सेमी परमिएबल कुछ मेटल्स को अंदर आना और कुछ मेटल्स को बाहर जाने की परमिशन देता है, कुछ ही को देता है. Now what is cell wall? Cell wall is the hard outer covering of the cell present outside the cell membrane, and the cell wall is composed of cellulose. Cellulose is a complex substance and provides structural strength to the plants. Cell wall is present in the plant cell and helps the plant to withstand the environmental changes. So cell wall क्या होता है? It is the outer layer of the cell and hard outer layer of the cell, and it is present in the plasma membrane, outside the plasma membrane, and it is mainly composed of cellulose and it is a complex substance and provides structural strength to the plants. Cell wall is present in the plant cell and helps the plant to withstand the environmental changes. What is nucleus? Nucleus is the center. Basically it is the structure of the nucleus has a double layered covering called as nuclear membrane. इस न्यूक्लियस का जो कवरिंग है वो डबल लेयर्ड होता है एंड इट इज़ नोन एज न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन. इट हैज़ पोर्स एंड अलाउज द ट्रांसफर मटेरियल्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस टू द आउटसाइड. साइटोप्लाज्म contains chromosomes which are visible as rod-shaped structures only when the cell is able to divide. Chromosomes contain information for inheritance of features from parents to the next generation in the form of DNA molecules. Deoxyribonucleic acid. So has a double layer membrane covering known as nuclear membrane, and it has pores that allow the transfer of materials from inside and outside of the nucleus, and it also contains chromosomes which are essential visible as rod shaped structure only when the cell is about to divide, and chromosomes contain hereditary structures in hereditary informations features from parents to next generation in the form of DNA molecules. Nucleus. DNA molecules contain information necessary for constructing and organizing cells. Functional segments of DNA are called genes, and when a cell is not dividing, DNA is present as a part of the chromatin material. Chromatin material is visible as entangled mass of thread-like structures. Whenever the cell is about to divide, the chromatin material gets organized into chromosomes. Plays an important role in cellular production, and it helps in determining the way a cell will develop and what form from it will exhibit by maturity by directing the chemical activities of the cell. So it is basically DNA. Nucleus is DNA molecules and consists of the information for the hereditary structure. ठीक है, हेरेडिटरी इंफॉर्मेशन कंटेन करता है, and it is the functional segments of the DNA called genes. But when the cell is not divided, it is kept present as a chromatin material. Chromatin material is visible as entangled mass of thread-like structures. Whenever the cell is about to divide, the chromatin material gets organized into chromosomes. Plays an important role in cellular production and it helps in determining the way the cell will develop and what form it will exhibit on maturity by directing the chemical activities of the cell. Okay, so we'll discuss these two topics, haploid cell and diploid cell. Haploid cell is basically the cell having one set of chromosome. Gametes or sex cells, that is sperm or ova, are the example, and they are formed as a result of meiosis. हम later पढ़ेंगे meiosis and mitosis. They fertilize to form offsprings which are diploid. Human sperm cell, ovum cell, 23 number of chromosomes. These all are haploid cells, single set of chromosomes जिसमें होता है, like sperm cells, ovum cells, and they are formed as a result of meiosis, and they fertilize to form offsprings. And the cell having two sets of chromosomes, there are two N chromosomes. Somatic cells have diploid set of chromosomes, and diploid cell reproduced by mitosis. Human muscle cell or the blood cell have two chromosomes. So you can see haploid cell and diploid cell. So there is a structure here, definition, how this formation, we have already discussed all this. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So this is a very important topic. A prokaryotic cell is very minute in size, and eukaryotic cell is fairly large in size. And prokaryotic cell nuclear region not surrounded by a nuclear membrane, and it's a single chromosome present. Nucleus is absent. Membrane bound cell organelles are absent, and cell division by fusion or budding. That is mitosis. ठीक है. प्रोकैरियोटिक में क्या होता है, न्यूक्लियस एब्सेंट होता है, सिंगल क्रोमोसोम होती है इसमें, और मेम्ब्रेन बाउंड सेल ऑर्गेनल्स आर एब्सेंट. सेल डिवीजन हैपेंस बाय माइटोसिस एंड इट इज़ वेरी माइन्यूट इन साइज. वही इसका ऑपोजिट यूकैरियोटिक होता है, वेरी लार्ज इन साइज. Nuclear material surrounded by nuclear membrane and more than one chromosome present, nucleus present, membrane organelles also present, and cells are formed. Cell division happens by mitosis or meiosis. Okay, so start with significance of membranes in the next class.